Let's take a look at this problem. This is solving a linear equation, so let's refresh our memory on those. Solving a linear equation. We have our note up at top says in any step, combine like terms and combine numbers. Then, step 1, we want to get rid of parentheses. And we do this via the distributive property. Step 2, we want to get rid of fractions. We multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with an X on one side, numbers on the other side. When I say everything, I'm talking about terms. It doesn't have to be an X. You can have any variable you're solving for. So we're going to get all the variable terms on one side, constant terms on the other. Step 4. Divide both sides by the number in front of the X coefficient. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem. We've got 2w plus 14 is equal to negative 2 times negative w minus 7. Okay, so step 1, get rid of parentheses. And we'll use the distributive property. So I'm going to take negative 2 and multiply it times the negative w and times the negative 7. So we got 2w plus 14 is equal to negative 2 times negative w and negative 2 times negative 7. So we got 2w plus 14 is equal to negative 2 times negative w gives us a positive 2w. Negative 2 times negative 7 is 14. Okay. Step 2. Get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3. Get everything with a w on one side, numbers on the other. I just, again, change the x to w. So we're going to take this 2w here, move it to the left side, and we'll take the 14 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you move anything across or equals, your sign changes. So we got 2w minus 2w is equal to 14 minus 14. 2w minus 2w gives us 0, drops away. 14 minus 14 gives us 0. Well, we have a problem. We are solving for w, and all of a sudden our w's disappeared completely. Now this has no solution. It actually has an infinite number of solutions. So we can't come up with like x equals or w is equal to 5 or w is equal to 1. There's an infinite number of answers, which means that no matter what value you put up here for w, it'll be true. Now another way to say infinite solutions is refer to it as an identity. An identity means it's true for all values of w.